going on? I literally took the camera out and said, I'm about to make some content. Yep, and we're gonna make it on this beautiful 2009 Chevrolet Corvette.
Who's this guy? I ain't know.
The Vette. Let's call it the Vette. Yeah, all right. So the Vette, man. 2009 Vette, base model. Tell you some things I really, really love about it. Some things we've already done to it. Be a channel of me showing you the progress of the project. I want to put on long tube headers on this guy, and I want to put an X-pipe on her. Right now she has a Corsa catback system, so she just has the mufflers. She sounds like this. So she sounds good, man. And this comes with the paddle shifts, so you can downshift and it sounds dope. I get people that give me thumbs up all the time when I do that with the paddle shifts. So let's get back here, man. Let's start from the back, move to the front. You know what I'm saying? Let's move from the back to the front. So we got the eagle eyes on here, the tail lights, and I do love the tail lights. These got a bit of a smoke to them, so they look pretty nice. I'm actually gonna upgrade these to the Morimotos. I'll probably get a picture of it. If not, it's a nice little circle tail light, and in the middle, it's like got like a, looks like a deep light, like the way I explained it, but it looks really, really dope. This is the Corsa exhaust, man. So it still sounds pretty good, man. It sounds like nice and throaty is how I explain it, and it looks really nice. If you want like a simple mod, go ahead and change out these deflectors. This is pretty dope. I mean, it's just pretty simple. It makes the car just look better just with that instead of the stock ones. We did put some new wheels on it, chrome wheels, and then just put the Corvette cover on there for the calipers. Again, like simple mod is just, you know, just change those out, man. That's not a big deal. Let's go right here. So this was something my uncle did when he put the lights on the inside of the Corvette on the vent, and I think it looks pretty dope because it actually changes, right? It actually goes from a steady, and it does a flashing one, and it does a strobe, and I think that light is pretty dope, man. At nighttime, I throw it on steady, and I think it adds to it, right? If you think about doing it, he put the light right up against here, right? I think is my absolute favorite. Because if you get a Corvette, you got to modernize it up a little bit. So these are red seat covers, right? Again, my uncle did this too. So he put red seat covers on this guy, took the whole seat out and put red seat covers on her. That wind deflector, I love it. I think it's dope for the driver. Just the driver experience is pretty dope. And then we upgraded the steering wheel. I gotta say this. If you get a Corvette, man, please take that cobalt steering wheel off of that Corvette, man. It bothered me so bad to see that circle steering wheel. This right here, now I didn't get the carbon fiber one. The carbon fiber one was like 450 bucks, maybe 500. This one right here is not carbon fiber. It was like 259. But it's a flat bottom steering wheel. Like, it looks so much better, right? I got the, you know, it's got a nice little red trim on the top, right along here, red trim right here. And even on the back, they got the nice grooves for your hands. Like, if you get a Vette, go ahead and upgrade this steering wheel. Like, it definitely feels much better when you upgrade this guy. I upgraded the head unit, and you know, just got something, you know, decently priced, man, but it just makes a big difference. Couldn't stand the stock radio. I needed some CarPlay, needed some Bluetooth. It also has a rear camera, so that helps too, because when you ride in the Vette, it's not that you need the backup camera, but it's actually pretty dope to have it, because when you're backing up, I mean, you really can't see behind you, but it's good to be able to back up with confidence. But like, as you can see, man, deflector is pretty sweet. You can see it from the outside. Inside here, what else have we done? I mean, this is just we ordered this online. This is kind of like a suede. I'm planning on upgrading this guy right here. So we're gonna take this one off. There's a carbon fiber shift knob. It has red stitching right here and then red stitching along here. Eventually gonna change that up. We'll open up the hood. But yeah, that's pretty much red lights on it. So again, it's a whole black and red theme. Put those red there on the side. Those are red floor mats right here. These are red. Look at the LS3, man. Let's see what she's looking like under here. Got the dress up kit on it. And right now, like I said, it's just stock right now. Nothing too crazy. But when I do decide to hook this guy up, we are gonna put some headers in here, man. Like I said, we'll get an X pipe and get this whole exhaust system sounding great. And then we'll get it tuned out. And then we got that guy on there. So that's pretty much it for the mods right now. Like I said, it's mainly a lot of cosmetic mods done to the car, right? Which is, it's what people see, right? It's not, you know, and some people like to hook up their car first on the performance side. I like to, I'm a aesthetic guy. So I want to see my stuff first. And that's what I did, right? So my uncle, this was his Corvette, and then I inherited his Corvette. And so I'm building off of what he was doing. But yeah, man. So here's what I think about the C6 Corvette, okay? Had it for maybe a little less than a year now. But this car is absolutely fun. Like, I mean, you got all the other cars out there, man, but this car right here, it still gets respect from people. People still love to see the car. It's still fast. You know what I mean? Like, I like playing with the paddle shifts, right? I might have already said that. So I'm just expressing and emphasizing how much fun it is to play with them boys. But this car is fast. This car is nice, man. And I love how smooth it is. I love how just aerodynamic the car is, man. So if you're looking at getting a Corvette, go ahead and grab one. Like I said, this is just a base model, okay? Base model LS3 with the paddle shifters, and it's dope, man. Like, it's dope. It's so much fun to ride. I like riding with the top off, so I take the Targa top off a lot. And I'm talking about absolute fun, all right? So here she is right here. Right before we wrap her up. Might post a video of us riding in Mexico, but there we go, man. So there's some quick burbles. Let's pull her out on the street and see how well she do. A little early shift. I definitely shifted early, but that's because I got one hand. Let's go ahead, downshifter. Sound good, man. This video, I may post a video of me driving it, but until the next time, I'll see y'all on the next video.